Hello. This is an unexpected video, I think. I didn't have a plan of making this video, but here we are. So if you're new here, my name is Linnea. We are on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all that kind of good stuff. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. I am very close to 1,000 subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you would subscribe. If not, well, that's cool too. I don't care. Thanks for being here. If you're not new here, hey, welcome back. There is one of you out there that knows about this video. And very specifically making it for Jane. Alright, so the story behind this video is, alright, Jane, if you ever notice, Jane's in the comments. You can say hey to her. She's a very nice human. Jane and I have become very close besties. Jane lives in England. I live in America. We have become like this. It's a long story. We actually have some surprises for all of you coming up in the future. And so stay tuned for that. Jane and I, we got surprises. Anyway, Jane and I, we speak every single day. We do. And the other day, I sent her a message and I was like, hey, look at this. I found this at the grocery store, and I thought it would be fun to have in our house for Thanksgiving. And she was like, wow, that is really cool looking. It's awesome that it's a turkey. She said this in her English accent. We're not going there. But she said, why is it white? Like, why is your butter white? And I said, I don't know. This is the color of our butter here. It's loud cars outside. Anyways, upon further research and inspection, our butter is white here in America, unless you buy grass-fed, organic, like Kerrygold, which is not an American butter. If you buy that kind of stuff, it is a more yellow color. And so Jane and I have had this conversation, and she said, well, what if you find some organic, grass-fed heavy cream and you make your own butter? And I was like, yeah, that's a good idea, but I don't really need to make my own butter. But then I started thinking about it. I was like, do I need to make my own butter? So went to the store last night. I could not find any grass-fed cow heavy cream, but I did find this. It's organic. It says no antibiotics, no synthetic hormones, no toxic pesticides, no GMOs, none of that. So I bought 2 pints. These together cost me $10. This is gonna be the most expensive butter I've ever had, probably. So we are gonna make some butter today. This is just a fun video. This isn't anything super serious. You know, if you've made your own butter before and you're very serious about it, good for you. But we're gonna see what color it is. I'm gonna venture to guess it's white because I have done some research, and one of the recipes said that you can add yellow food coloring to make it yellow. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna venture to guess that it's gonna make some white butter, but we're gonna make some butter today for funsies. See what happens. For reference, I'm sorry, I have been talking a lot. I have left these out on the counter for 5 hours. It said to let them sour a bit for 5 hours, so I did. And then it said to put them in the fridge for an hour, so I did. And I just took them out, and we're gonna put them in the mixer. I don't think you can see the mixer, it's behind me. We're gonna put them in the mixer. We're gonna mix it up, and we're gonna make some butter. It should be fairly quick. So let's go do it. All right, I have 2 pints of this heavy cream. We're gonna pour it in. Per usual, I did not charge my battery, and it is already half dead. So says to do this on high speed until the specks of butter start to form, and then do it on low. So we're gonna do that. All right, I did put this little shield on, so maybe that will help it from splattering. I don't know. Okay, now it does look, let me see if I can take this off. All right, it says you will notice the butter starting to form, and I did turn it to low. I'm gonna scrape it down, and then I'm going to let it keep doing its thing for a little while longer on low. All right, it said I will know when the butter is ready when it fully separates and creates a big clump like this. I'm gonna separate the buttermilk from the butter. I will keep the buttermilk. Maybe we'll make some pancakes or waffles or something later. And now I have to wash the butter, so I'll be right back so I can drain off the buttermilk. Wow, perfect. Maybe we'll make biscuits, because biscuits are superior. Sweet. Okay. Now, I need to rinse the butter. All right, now that I washed it, I think I washed it good enough. It says to add a scant teaspoon of sea salt, so I do have less than a teaspoon here. I don't know if I want to add all of it. I didn't add all of it. And then it says lowest possible setting. I don't love that. Yeah, it definitely did not actually mix in, so maybe I will hand mix it in. All right, well, this is what I have. The lighting is pretty bad because it's the end of the day and the sun is going down. But this is what I have. It made a whole quart, no, not a quart, a pint, a whole pint. It would help if I could talk. Made a whole pint of butter and an entire pint of buttermilk. I can say, sorry, it's warm outside. It is almost December, and it is 70 degrees, which is unheard of. Can you tell a color difference? There is definitely a color difference. This is more white. This is more yellow. I did not add food coloring like it said, because why would I? I tried my hardest to get as much liquid out of the butter as I could. There is still like some in there, but I imagine this butter will not last long. In this house, we do like butter, so yeah, that was actually really fun. I'm glad I did it. Will I spend $10 on organic heavy cream to do that again? Probably not. Will I do it out of like regular not organic heavy cream? Yeah, I might do that. I do have a loaf of fresh sourdough that I baked up this morning. So we're gonna give that a whirl later tonight. Jonathan is a connoisseur of butter, so he will tell me if this is good or if this is bad. And I'll try to get it on video for you all. So, it's been fun. All right. I'm sure I will get Jonathan trying this later. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay. He did taste this before.
Not really.
You put your finger in it. Did I make it salty enough? Okay.
Yeah, really good.
It is good. I mean, I think it tastes like regular butter. It almost tastes just a bit more creamy, I think, than the store-bought butter. But that's, I mean, I would make it again, but not out of the $5 a pint heavy cream. That butter, that right there, that jar of butter is $10 worth of butter.
I mean, how much is butter, though?
I mean, the cheap butter is like $3. So, yeah. Anyways, you like it?
Very good.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what it'll be, but we'll see you. And Calvin will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!